Do you love sticky rice? And you're always wondering, how do I make this? I want to know how to make this. Well, guess what? I'm going to show you guys how to make sticky rice the proper way. So for this particular video, I made about 4 cups of sticky rice and I soaked it for about 6 hours. Now you can soak this overnight, but if you're, hungry and you're trying to eat it for dinner, it's best to do it in the morning and then come back from work or whatever you're doing and let it sit for about 6 to 7 hours. That should be good. There is a difference between regular jasmine rice and sticky rice. So jasmine rice is more, transparent looking, and sticky rice is very white. So here are the difference between the two, just in case you're wondering. You're gonna need this because it's gonna steam it, and you're gonna need this pot right here. I just added some water in here. It's a little less than halfway, and you can always add more as you go, but this is usually how much I put in. After you put water into the pot, you want to put the rice that you soaked overnight or for 6 to 7 hours into this net. I don't know the proper word for it, but you want to put it in here and you want to rinse it a little bit in here, and it should look like this. And then you're going to put this on top of the pot and let it steam. When I was younger, my dad would yell at me all the time because at first I didn't know how to make sticky rice, and I would have like the rice all over here everywhere, and he'd be like, you don't want rice there, you want to make sure that it's all neat and nice and proper. So after you're done rinsing this with water, make sure that it looks nice and neat. It has been about 30 minutes and the rice is looking good. Now we're gonna flip it. Ta-da! Now it's flipped, and you're gonna wait about like 15 minutes and it should be done. Okay, so it has been well over 15 minutes. I just want to show you guys before we, prepare the rice. This is the sticky rice that I use. How you can tell if it's sticky rice is if it says sweet rice. This is the one that I use. I ran out of sticky rice, so I used the actual bag so that I can use it for putting my sticky rice and mixing it together before putting it into this lovely thing here. So here is the rice. I'm gonna flip it a couple times. I don't know if you can see. Just shake it up. I'm gonna try to flip it to show you guys. Like, move it towards you. Okay, so now grab one of the rice spoons. Make sure you put water on it. And you're just gonna mix it up, because what this does is it doesn't make it as sticky onto your hand when you grab it to eat. Well, from my experience, I mean. When I was younger, my grandma would feed us just sticky rice, and she'll put like a little bit of salt in it and kind of like roll it up and give it to us to eat. It was so good. Sometimes I still do it now. Not a lot of salt, but just a little bit to taste. You want to shape it, get it all nice and ready to go into the sticky rice holder. Do not come for me. I forgot the name in Laos. I don't know. Okay, so now you can grab this, put it in here nicely. Ta-da! So when you're making the sticky rice, you want to make sure that it looks like this and that you can like roll it. It should not be hard or anything. It should be sticky, sticky rice. Cover it up. And it's good to go. You can eat this with sauce, dip it into sauce. any types of meat, barbecue. I love to eat it with pork, steak, chicken, tamakong, aka papaya salad. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.